ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Public Relations Officer jangka Sekolah Northeastern Hills University Dr. Davidson Pungro haka sautrik unai wing arajar apulai ulayatho bagi bor penya jangka ni sekolah kin hab banshim de kisenjam ki beting kat kum ki kendon jangka University Grants Commission ban Pynshitom lot ya barok ki Samla ki Pule Nehu campus Tura lada ka jingtok ket kamlap ya kat to kat ni ki Samla Pule ki bedon ketiban pha law lingkhot yo we Samla Pule Pule Tura campus. Hakijing kran bakilat pathai kubor Dr. Pungrop ula ong baki bor penyat jangka sekolah kimban se ban shim daga ni gastenjam ke beting khanang ban lap biki bedon kiti nambar ke Jingshah thombor jong uwe ni ke Samla Pule kelakta haduk kata-kata ya ke Pule ke puthi ke jong u.
We had already circulated yesterday a press release regarding the meeting which was conducted on the 3rd of November with the anti-ragging committee of the university. It was clearly mentioned there that if the culprit is not found, a mass, as per the UGC regulations, a group punishment is given to the entire batch or hostel residents.
But do you think that it is fair, like if one or two students are involved in the incident and the entire group has to take the...
It is not fair, but it is the rules and regulations of the UGC. They will follow the rules and regulations. We will follow the rules and regulations of the university, of the government, of the law of the land, and we'll find out if something comes out from there. And then another meeting will be held after 2 weeks. After that, we'll see what will happen. There's a line where we have it was misinterpreted that Naga elders also have given their report. We would like to add for the general that Naga elders only had a meeting with the vice chancellor and the committee of the anti-ragging committee of the university. They did not submit any kind of report, which is not required by law to submit. So it is wrongly represented in the papers that Naga elders have also submitted.